This is my app. My app is adding new customers to my library. And as you can see, currently I have 2 customers because each box represents a customer. And I'm going to show you really quickly that my login logout works. When I log out, I don't have the edit and the store buttons anymore. But when I click on the login, it will be back. Let me show you my sign up. My sign up does work. I just don't want to sign up because we don't have enough time. But I'm going to click on login really quickly, log back in. And now the edit and the store buttons are here. Also, when I hover over them, they highlighted. So I'm going to show you that each one of those buttons actually work. So for example, I can distort this one, click OK. I distorted a customer. I only have 1 customer left in my system. But now I can also go into edit and I can edit this customer and I can just give it a random name, last name, give it a couple numbers here and some random strings. And this is my date of birth. I do have every single date. I do have a drop down, but the video doesn't pick that up. So just keep that in mind. I do have every single date in here, but you can't really see it in the video for some reason. I tried to fix that, but I couldn't. And as you can see, I did update the customer. I'm going to click back. And now as you can see, my information have changed. And now I can also click on the show. It's going to show me it. I can also add a new customer as well. If I click save, it says I need to have something. So just pick something random here. I'm going to click save. I'm going to click back. And now I have 2 customers. So now I'm going to show you what I've implemented in my app. So what I've implemented is admin and user login. So what I'm saying in here is this. If I am signed in and I am currently the admin, then you're going to be able to show me the edit and the store buttons. If I'm not the signed in and the admin, then I'm only going to see the show button. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to go to my Rails console and I'm going to say this command first. This command is going to show me what currently I am. Currently I am the admin because it says admin true. Also, it's important to mention that I used, let me change it to false, but I used booleans to differentiate between admin and user. You can also use integers as well. It just depends on how you created it, but I created with a boolean. So true is admin, false is not. So I clicked save. So let's just check my current state. Now it says admin false. So now I'm going to get out of this, rerun my app, and show you what happens. And then I'm going to go back again and change it. Okay, so now that I'm no longer the admin, I am logged in, I am signed in, but I'm not the admin, so that's not enough. So now I don't have my edit and distort buttons. But now when I come back again here, I'm doing the exact same thing that I just did, except that I'm saying true instead of false. So now I'm going to say this, current state, admin false, as you can see to the right. Now I'm going to change this to true. Now I'm going to click save. Let's see what I am. Now as you can see, it says admin true all of a sudden because I changed. So now I'm going to rerun the app again. And now that I'm the admin and I'm signed in, admin and signed in, then I should be able to have my edit and distort buttons back. So as you can see, now they're back. I can show, I can destroy. It's all working. So now I'm going to show you my test coverage really quickly. I'm going to go to my index.html in here. Let's look at my coverage. So this is my coverage. I have an 81.82% covered. And as you can see, I have my controllers, my models. I do have my features as well, but it doesn't show up here for some reason, but you can check that in my GitHub. This is the controller, channels, models, mailers, helpers, job, libraries. Everything supposed to be here is here. Now I'm going to show you my pipeline. This is my pipeline, Circle CI. And as you can see, it's all successful. Everything works. This is my iteration 03. I ran it today, just about an hour or 2 ago. And yeah, it's all working. Now let's talk about my project tracker. So I use my project tracker to make sure that I'm on time and I implemented everything. So everything from the setup, the environment. I have 3 different user stories. Each one of my stories has to do with different buttons that I implemented. And as you can see in here, I pretty much talked about it a little bit, about what I did. And I also have my new features in here and the new testing that we just did as well. So that is it, and thank you.